Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Arsenal Podcast. My name is Josh.
Hi there. Hello, everybody. I am Jenny. We are so happy you are here with us. Today, we will learn how to talk about yourself in English.
This is so important. People ask this question all the time. Tell me about yourself.
So today, we will practice. We will use simple words and show you real examples that you can use. Are you ready, Josh?
I am ready. Let's begin. Jenny, can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, I will try my best. Let's start with the most basic thing, my name. My name is Jenny.
Nice to meet you, Jenny. You just say, my name is, and then your name. Jenny, where are you from?
I am from Australia. Australia is a very big country.
And you say, I am from England. We learn to say where we are from.
Exactly. Now, the next question, Josh, do you live in a big city or a small city?
I live in London. London is a very big city. It is very busy and noisy.
I live in a small city in Australia. It is quiet. I can hear the birds in the morning.
That is the difference between big cities and small cities. Now, do you live in a house or an apartment, Jenny?
I live in a house. I have a small yard. What about you?
I live in an apartment. It is small but cozy. Cozy means comfortable and nice.
Okay, let's talk about age. Josh, how old are you?
I am 30 years old. How old are you, Jenny?
I am 27 years old. Remember, you don't have to say your age if you don't want to.
That's right. Now, let's talk about jobs. Jenny, what do you do?
I am a cook. I love it. I work at a restaurant in my city.
A cook. What kind of food do you cook?
I cook many kinds: meat, fish, pasta, vegetables. What about you, Josh? What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English to children, 7 to 10 years old. I love teaching.
So everyone, to talk about your job, you say, I am a, and then your job, like I am a teacher or I am a student.
Now, let's talk about family. Josh, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have 2 sisters. They are both younger and are students.
What about you, Jenny?
I have one brother. He is older. His name is Tom, and he is a truck driver.
That is great. To talk about family, you say, I have one brother, or I have 2 sisters. Now, let's talk about pets. Do you have a pet, Josh?
Yes, I do. I have a dog. His name is Charlie. He is a small, fluffy West Highland Terrier.
That is cute. Do you have a pet, Jenny?
Yes, I do. I have a cat. Her name is Bella. She has orange fur and green eyes. She sleeps about 15 hours a day.
To talk about pets, you say, I have a dog, or I have a cat. Now, let's move to favorite things. Josh, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken. I eat it almost every day, baked simply with salt and pepper.
My number 1 favorite is fish, especially grilled salmon. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow, like the sun. It is bright and cheerful.
My favorite color is red. It is the color of energy and passion. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cats, because I love Bella.
My favorite animal is dogs, of course, because of Charlie. Dogs are loyal and friendly.
Now, favorite season. Josh, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. I love when the flowers start to grow.
I like summer best. I like to swim at the beach every weekend.
Let's talk about hobbies now. What do you do in your free time?
My hobby is reading books. I read fiction books with happy endings every night.
I have a few hobbies. I like to watch movies, especially comedy movies that make me laugh.
I also like to ride my bicycle every Saturday and Sunday.
I like to walk in the park in the evening. It helps me relax.
Let's talk about music. What kind of music do you like, Josh?
I like pop music. I like happy songs with a good beat that I can dance to.
My favorite is rock music. Old rock music from the 1970s and 1980s. I love the Beatles.
Okay, let's talk about things we don't like now. What don't you like, Jenny?
I don't like mushrooms. I don't like the soft, squishy texture.
I don't like very sour food. It hurts my mouth. What else don't you like?
I don't like to wake up very early. I am a night person. I also don't like to be in crowded places.
And I don't like to be late. If I am late, I feel very stressed.
So, we talked about many things. Remember, if someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you can choose what to say. You don't have to say everything.
For example, at a party, you can say, "Hi, I'm Josh. I love to read books and walk in the park."
That's simple and clear. The important thing is to be friendly and relaxed. And remember to smile.
A smile makes everyone feel comfortable. Let's do a quick review. How do you talk about your job?
You say, "I am a," and then your job, like, "I am a teacher," or "I am a student."
Great. How do you talk about your hobbies?
You say, "I like to," and then the activity, like, "I like to read," or "I like to play soccer."
Wonderful. Now, we have homework for you. Go to the comment section below this video and write a little bit about yourself.
You can write simple sentences like, "My name is Anna. I am from Poland. We want to meet you and we will reply to you."
Okay, everyone. I think our lesson is finished for today. Time goes so fast when we're having fun.
Remember, everyone, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing every day.
The best way to learn is to practice with real people.
We believe in you. You can do this. Keep going.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Thank you so much for watching today. Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye. Happy learning.